the Kenya Kwanza side has nominated Dr. Muthomi Thiankolu, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, as the joint secretary from that side.
On the issue of formalization, we have postponed the substance of that discussion to next week. We have explored some of the various issues around it. The first issue is whether it could be a parliamentary process. The second issue is whether it could be by executive gazettement under Article 131 of the Constitution. The third issue is whether it can be what we call sui generis, where it is dealt with outside of Parliament and outside of the executive, involving the public, and then once it is settled, then it can be brought to Parliament or wherever else it needs to go. We are going to explore all those in detail next week.
We were also to discuss the tabling of issues. What issues are coming to the table to be discussed as the points we are in divergence, the points we have not agreed upon, because where we agree upon, possibly there is no issue.